So yeah, the kitty ears are to distract you from the fact that I dropped the ball with... Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's the half for you. It is day 4 of November 2018 box week. So let's just jump right into tonight's video. If you're brand new to my channel, click the red subscribe button down below. Join our forever family. We're awesome. I've been saying it different every time this week. I don't know, like my normal intro has just been different, so we're just gonna go with it. So tonight we're gonna be opening up a box that like last month I was like supposed to cancel but did not. Like I've just been like really busy, and that's like a terrible excuse, but I've been so busy that I didn't get time to cancel it in time, as well as like find a box to take its place. So we still have it, even though everyone was like unanimously like you should cancel this box. So this is going to be a real exciting video, opening a box that everyone felt like should no longer be on my channel. So tonight we're going to be opening up Sephora Play. I'm showing you the back of it because they stuck the packing label on the front. But exciting news. We're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway. This is a box of goodies that we fill up from my subscription boxes. So essentially, I take items from my box and keep some for myself, put some in there to give away. Once the box is full, I'll post a giveaway video on my channel. So yeah, the kitty ears are to distract you from the fact that I dropped the ball with canceling this box and getting something else. So Sephora Play is a $10 subscription box that everybody thinks is terrible, and I'm going to be opening it on my channel. So maybe it'll be awesome. Maybe this will be a great one, and everyone who said I should cancel will be like, oh man, I'm glad you didn't cancel it. Probably not. Okay, so this month's box bag thingamajigger, again, it's like open also. It's got a little booklet on the top that tells me how to use all the items in here, and it has this little card that gives me 50 bonus Beauty Insider reward points if I make a purchase at Sephora with that card. This is the little bag. They're like clear now. They're plastic. So I like these plastic bags, but I don't like that they are never sealed. So that's just kind of where I'm at with it. They're like always open, so I feel like everything falls out of it. All right, the first item that we have in here today is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Powder. So this is like a loose finishing powder from Makeup Forever. If this is like an actual like setting or finishing powder, I can't really tell. I'm trying not to wreck this box though. That's all I know. I'm like, geez Louise, I can't open anything. Nothing's changed. This has been like literally for like the last however many years we've been doing unboxings on my channel. Still can't open stuff. Alright, so this is a finishing powder from Makeup Forever. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box just because of the fact that I have a lot of finishing powder right now. And yeah, so I'll set that to the side. Next item that we have is Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. Protect and Prevent Spray. This is a color complete, I don't actually get, what am I looking at? Leave-in conditioner that instantly detangles your hair from Moroccan Oil. Okay, this is a leave-in conditioner from Moroccan Oil, right there. I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway box also. I actually have a lot of leave-in conditioner right now. Because during the Ulta hair sale thingy, I got a ton of Mizani hair milk, so I don't actually need leave-in hair stuff right now. The next item that we have is a cream lip stain from the Sephora Beauty Collection. I'm trying to get this open. I can't get it open. Help me, somebody just come on the channel real quick and just help me. And it is like this weird like nudie mauve color. I'm gonna just swatch it so we can see what it looks like. Okay, that's a pretty color. It's like a weird, like, you can't even really tell, but it's like a nude mauve shade. So I guess I'm keeping that because I opened it and swatched it. So I'm really not feeling this bag, but we have it, so we're opening it. So it's like, that's where we're at right now with our lives. We have a fragrance from Tory Burch, introducing Just Like Heaven. We'll see if it smells just like heaven or not. Let's just see if that smells like heaven or not. It does not. It does not smell like heaven, guys. Not even close. Okay, that's great. Alrighty, so, and we have 2 more items in here. I pulled them out apparently all at the same time. We have Dr. Jart Ceramidian Cream. It's a moisture retention cream. It says directions. Apply to entire face evenly to retain healthy, hydrated skin. First of all, the life is being choked out of me by this Tory Burch fragrance. I don't know what I did to deserve this. Actually, I know what I did. I kept this box, but it's awful. Like, it's in my mouth now. It's terrible. It's terrible. I'm gonna try this Dr. Jart cream to take my mind off of the fact that I'm eating the Tory Burch fragrance right now, just to feel how it feels hydration-wise, because my hands have been really dry. So I don't really know how I feel about it. I guess it kind of soaked into my skin and maybe is like a little bit bouncy. I don't know. So there's that. All right, next item, final item we have is Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Ooh, an eye cream. That's tiny. See, okay, so you're like, first off, you're just checking me out for the first time and you're like, wow, this girl's really negative. I'm actually usually not this negative. I'm more mad at myself that I didn't take the time to find a new box before this one repurchased on my account. Because, so here's the beef with Sephora, just so you know, if you're like first time checking me out and why people are actually upset with this box. The items they give you, I'm trying this Clinique cream just because I feel like I'm supposed to actually be testing stuff out. Can't really smell anything over that Tory Burch fragrance. Sephora, everything they give out in these boxes are tiny samples. And if you're a regular shopper at Sephora, they constantly have items they give you as gifts with purchase. So like, you purchase this, we'll give you this item. These items they give out, very rarely do you get an item that you don't already receive regularly for free for just buying something from Sephora. So that's kind of the major beef with them and why people are kind of frustrated. It's not like, and that's the issue. And they give tiny, tiny samples and you'd think like, okay, we're paying you $10 a month. You'd give us things that we couldn't already get for free just from buying something regular from you. That's the big beef with Sephora. So that's kind of the whole thing. So to recap this, situation. I'm just gonna grab the giveaway box. We got the Moroccan hair leave-in conditioner oil, the Makeup Forever setting powder. Again, tiny, tiny samples, like really like small samples, especially if if you're checking out the rest of Box Week, you see the size items we get from other subscriptions that are not like makeup vendors. And so you're like, come on now. The Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, which didn't really feel that exciting. The Dr. Jart Ceramidian Cream, which I tried on this hand, which I guess makes my hand feel a little bit more hydrated. I don't know. The Tory Burch fragrance that does not smell like heaven and is still in my mouth. And the Sephora like little lip stain something. I don't know. I'm upset. I'm really upset with myself. I'm hoping that I'll be more on the ball and get something different for next month because like honestly I'm frustrated that I still have this box and that I did not find a different one, especially after you guys gave me so many good recommendations. Life has just been a little bit chaotic, so I have not had a chance. So we got through this unboxing. We got through it. If you watched it, I'm sorry that I still have this box, but this is where we are right now. Drew's life is crazy, and so we're all paying for it. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of November 2018 Box Week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. 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 A cup of Nespresso coffee before filming this. I should have probably led with that. So that's where all this is coming from. So there you go. There you go. Just, you know, wow. Okay. That was a lot. Oh my